Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.23. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, Nvidia stock has experienced a gain of 7.05%. This means that on average, the stock has been generating a return of 1.41% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This creates a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks up at the top trend line at $477.31, it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 4.34% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 18.12% and minus 1.96%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 202.76% change over the next year, with a potential return between 171.01% and 268.17%. This indicates a price range of $1,262.20 to $1,714.73 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia reveals that the stock price increased by 1.35% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the Nvidia stock price rose from $459.55 to $465.74, representing a gain of 1.35%. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for the stock. While it's rare for stocks to gain for so many days in a row, it's expected that there may be a day or two of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $459.68 and a high of $468.64, experiencing a 1.95% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by 11.48%, with gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. Additionally, the trading volume increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 54,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $15.92 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $502.30, while the lowest price was $137.59. Currently, the stock price is 7.28% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to $36.56 less. The 52-week high of $502.30 also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, October 27, 2023, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia a grade of equal weight with a corresponding action of hold. On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, Jefferies upgraded their grade for Nvidia to hold. On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Nvidia a grade of overweight and recommended a hold action. On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, Goldman Sachs also upgraded Nvidia to a grade of neutral. KeyBank gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy indicators. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Nvidia stock. Let's dive in. The chart for Nvidia shows mostly positive signals. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals supports the buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, it is likely to find support at $442.71 and $435.69. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 15.49%. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. It's worth noting the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which generated a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Nvidia. Nvidia currently finds support from accumulated volume at $460.18. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. In terms of daily movements, this stock has an average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock experienced a price range of $8.96, which accounts for a 1.95% change between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the average daily volatility for this stock stands at 2.5%. Today, we'll be discussing the potential trading levels for Nvidia. But before we dive in, let's go over some essential fundamental data. One important factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has an extremely high PE ratio, suggesting that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, Nvidia's next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on November 21, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $3.34. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $471.63. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $460.18. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as there's potential for a rebound. The average rating for Nvidia from multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K sold 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Cress Colette sold 8,919 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.848. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $448.69, which represents a decrease of 3.66%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 9 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Nvidia's opening price to be down -$1.05, starting at $464.69. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also interested in hearing your target for the stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.